Welcome back, guys. My name is Tony and you are watching a new episode about the restoration my 1994 Nissan Skyline. So in this episode we are going to make a new frame rail. Before we start, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I need your support, guys, so let's go. Today we are starting works with the frame rails. This is our back frame rail, middle frame rail, and this is the front frame rail. It's gone, as you can see. Today we need to create a new one back frame rail and a new one front frame rail. Let's start. I started by stripping the old frame rail. I needed to make an exact copy of the old part from new metal. Next, I tapped out the old part to return it to the correct geometry and dimensions. Then I used my new sandblaster to remove the rust from the part I would be using. The next stage is production of frame rail from new metal. The most difficult thing here is to choose the right angle and make the cut in the right place. Well, after some manipulation, we have something like that, a new frame rail. So it would be like this. I think it looks crazy. We need to weld it and install to the car. Well, we already made a new frame rail. Look at this. Looks pretty good. And now we need to weld it to the car, to the body. Whoop. Here it goes. Something like that. We made special holes. Let's start and welding works. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and please support me. Write a comment below what you think about this project, what you think about frame rail that we made by our hands. I hope you enjoy watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.